Hi my friend, I am Valya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you this look I'm wearing, which is a very nice, tiny summer party look. It is a colorful summer party look with a very nice green eyeliner and a fuchsia lipstick, intense look, but really for summer beats. And I want you to do it. It is easy to create it alone, so if you like it, let's get right immediately in this video to show you how you can create that look. I have prepared my brows as usual with my Brow Ultra Slim by Maybelline New York in the shade medium brown, a defining pencil, which is this with a very thin pencil, and from the other side is its pulley. Then I have cleaned up my brows with my Ultra liquid concealer in the shade vanilla and this flat concealer brush, and now I'm going to move on to clean my lid area. I'm taking this fluffy big brush and the same vanilla concealer to clean up my whole lid area. Of course, you can use a lid primer, as we have told many times, and another tip I have to say to you that I do the most times is to clean my underbrow area with concealer, but my upper brow area I'm cleaning it up with my foundation, that foundation that I'm going to use for the whole of my face in the continuity of my makeup. After I have cleaned up my lid area, I'm going to continue with my 10 colors eyeshadow by Scanlon, which is this, a very nice palette that has only so pretty colors, and these are all the colors, but today I will use only one color and a colorful eyeliner, because my colorful look for today is a colorful look for the summer party look, for a special event look. So I'm gonna take my eyebrow 104, and this is it, and from this palette, this, which is a very light matte pink color, with which I'm gonna apply it on all my lid, not only in my area, because in the only shadow I'm gonna use. It is a very nice light pink to peach, very light color. And we will apply it on all the area. Now in the summer I have to say to you that we don't need so much makeup. Only some colors, some makeup, and we are ready to go out, to go everywhere. Because we are done, because it's summer. After my shadow, I'm gonna wear my Beauty DNMe Waterproof Blush Liner in the shade 11. Yeah, this is it, which is a green liner, classic green liner, as you see, but I have told you, I am gonna do a colorful liner, which is so nice for summer look. Continuing with my other eye with the same way, the only shadow in the green liner. Of course, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighting powder, and this is it, as I have told you, it's one of my favorite highlighters. And I'm gonna take my eyebrow 103. This is a color of a nice pink, and I put some of that on my underbrow area, as I always do. As you have seen, I did some corner into my inner corner of the eye. I shaped some little thin corner to do some more intensity to my eyeliner green look. Do you see? It is looking, it is thin, looks very nice. One light corner with my eyeliner. And of course now, as always, I'm going to continue with my, let's see, for today I will wear my 3D elastic, natural and soft, lightweight fluffy, and these are they. I'm gonna show you them. These are my elastic, that I love them very, very much, 3D elastic. And now, after I have wear my elastic, I'm going to prepare the rest of my face. As usual, for today I'll be using my Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer with SPF 30 by Maybelline, this it, which I love it very much. It is a product very hydrating, and we need hydration and in the winter, and this time we have so much sun, we always need hydration in any way. I prefer the hydrating moisturizer, primer, any product hydrating. Just a little coffee while I work with my Born to Sparkle, beautiful. And of course, I'm always going to wear my Science Liquid Foundation 030 Golden Tan with this, and my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 32 Hours with SPF 25 and vitamin C in the shade 220 Double Sand, always mixing two foundations together. This is one tip. Sometimes I'll mix and three foundations together because in the market it's a little difficult to find the right foundation shade undertone for you. So the most times we makeup artists mix some undertones together to find the suitable color for our skin. And after that, of course, using my Ultra Liquid Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, which is this, going to apply it on the inner corner, on the outer corner. I have explained you the reasons in all my videos why I did that way. On the dots of my nose, between my brows, two lines on the mouth, and a quantity on my chin. And starting to apply it with my beauty blender, as we have told many times. Continue with my MUA Liquid Cream Blush in the shade Watermelon, and the same in the shade Misty Rose, two of my favorite liquid blushes that I will apply because they are very, very nice colors. I'll apply some few products on the back of my hand here because they are a little intense. We don't need much product of that. And applying it with this. I mix it in the back of my hand first and then apply it. So beautiful. These two blushes together are really so beautiful. And don't worry, if you apply some more product, don't worry, because later you apply your powdered product and will be very, very good. I mixed on the back of my hand, I put some, and I really pull it up on my temples, a little on my nose, and now what else? I clean up my hand area. Now what else? Now I'm going to continue to my powder product. I'm going to continue to powder product today. I'm taking my Sabrina Rudnick powder. No, I will take my loose powder. I will take my eyebrow loose powder to set up my under eye for the first. Always first set your under eye area. And loose powder, it's better. I have to say. And then I'm going to set up the whole area with my infallible 24 hours fresh wear foundation and powder, and this is it, and my eyebrow level. I'm going to set up the whole face. This powder is very nice by L'Oreal, infallible, but it's a little heavy for your under eyes. Apply it on your face. Of course, over that I will apply by Usta's one pressed powder in a tone, undertone, a little darker than the other, because as you have told, I am tanned. To tell you a tip to have a beautiful face, if you are people who are tanning in the summer, use products in colors that they are one undertone darker than the colors you use in the winter. You don't must use colors that they are like your tanning, because you are going to look more harsh. So we choose colors between our winter color and our summer color to have more fresh, flawless, beautiful and soft look, not so dark face, because we're gonna look very wild, of course. It is a tip for you. One undertone darker, the most two, unless on what type you are tanning. What else? Of course, my Wet n Wild contouring palette contour, caramel toffee, and this is it. And my eyebrow 11 taking the brown contouring, which is very suitable for summer, and apply it on my cheeks, on my forehead, a little on the nose, and some on my chin, and down on my neck. Very nice, this bronzer. Over that, I always apply another shimmery bronzer by Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in shade Pan Beach Ready, and this is it. It is a shimmery bronzer applied over the other. I could have used and the bronzer cream, but I didn't want that today. I do want for today's look only powdery products. Of course, continue with my lovely Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighter, the same that I use for my eyes, and my eyebrow 105 to apply on my cheeks. I really love to apply matte highlighter on my looks. I really love glam looks and matte looks, all of them. But now we are done. The looks that they are glam, shiny, they're more better in the summer. Now, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take the same eyeliner that I applied on my eye, and I will do my waterline. And you see, instead of applying a black liner, I apply with this green liner and my waterline to be more colorful, and taking for my inner corner the same highlighter and my eyebrow 103. I'm applying a little touch on my inner corner. I applied all the products. Yes. And now I'm going to wear my lip liner. For today I'll be using my Elixir Makeup 056 waterproof, and this is my lip liner. Taking my mirror, where is it? Yeah. To apply my lips. Another tip for you, when you apply your lip liner inside with the same color, do some lines as I do now. With this way, your lipstick will be more full. Any color you want. Another tip too, I have to say, if you want a natural look and if you want to overline your lips, overline Just a little, a few, not very much overline on the upper lip because it is look like fake, it not look good. Overline a few. And of course, wearing my Letitia Well lipstick flash effect in the shade 79, and this is it, a very nice fuchsia color by Letitia Well. And over my lipstick, I will apply another by Letitia Well glitter effect, which is this with no color, a very light sparkle lipstick, only to be bright, to have some brightness on your lips. It does not have color, as you can see. And the last step is my fixing spray. High Heart Revolution fixing spray, peaches and cream for today. Revolution fixing spray. It is important, I have told you, to use the fixing spray, and you can use it and at the beginning of your makeup as a primer, but I want it as a fixing spray, anything you want, and in 2 ways. And you can use it and between while you are doing your makeup. So my friends, this is my look for today. This is my summer party beach look. It is so nice, so summery. I think you like it. I think it's easy for you to do it, very effortless. I want you to try it. And they are very easy to find that color. If you like that video, of course, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned to see the new videos I'm gonna upload. Love you, my friends!